Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy the Manta Network. It's pretty easy to get this token. All you need to do is open up a centralized exchange, and the centralized exchange we're going to be working with for today's video is Binance. So make sure you've downloaded the application, and with Binance downloaded, make sure you have an account. And if you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance of claiming 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, you've got a verified account. How can you get yourself some of the Manta Network tokens? It's pretty easy. Make sure you use the deposit icon here. Click on this deposit and simply deposit any cryptocurrency, as most cryptocurrencies can easily be converted into the Manta on Binance, seeing as it's a centralized exchange. So guys, if you do not have crypto on your Binance and you wish to deposit fiat currency and then convert the fiat into crypto, click on the more icon and simply select the deposit fiat option. It's right here, select deposit fiat. And by doing this, you simply get to deposit some of your fiat tokens on Binance. And all you need to do is simply select the currency you wish to deposit and simply make a deposit via your bank transfer. As you can see, my local currency is stated and I'm supposed to make a bank transfer. So guys, your next step after depositing your crypto or fiat, head to the wallet section at the bottom right. Once there, scroll from the overview to the spot or funding, depending on where your crypto is stored. So as you can see, I've got some of my crypto on the funding. Head to the home section where we have convert, click on the convert icon. And with that done, select the spot wallet and select funding. Where we have 1,000 Satoshis, click on 1,000 sats and select the USDT and simply select Manta. Now I'm going to be using 1.0, that's 1 USDT, and I'll be converting it into 0.407 Manta. And boom, conversion successful. And if you head back home, close the convert and head to your wallet, perform a reload on the funding, and you'd find the Manta on your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.